Hi everyone, welcome to MashMath. Today we are going to study chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry exercise 8.2 question 4. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. So we have to state whether this following statement that is given to us, whether it is true or false. We have to see. For that we have to justify your answer. That means we have to solve and say whether it is true or false. So let us see now. So here it said that sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. So these are the angles. So let's consider, maybe suppose let us take that sine, maybe A I'll consider as a 30 degree and B let's take as a 60 degree. Okay. So that means A plus B means 30 degree plus 60 degree. Okay. Now equal to sine A we considered 30 plus sine B we considered 60 degree. So now sine 30 plus 60 will give us 90 degree. Then here sine 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. Let's put the value now from the trigonometric table. Sine 90 degree. So sine 90 degree value is 1. And sine 30 degree value is, sine 30 is 1 upon 2. And sine 60 degree value, sine 60 degree value is root 3 upon 2. Now you see, this is 1 here and this is 1 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 2. So however you solve this, it will not become equal to 1. Therefore, this is not equal. So that means this statement is true or false. So the answer is false. Okay. Now let's see the second one. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Theta meaning the angles. Okay. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. So let us first write down the values first. Okay. So you see trigonometry table theta. So theta increases 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So let's write down that 0, then 30, then 45, 60 and 90. So this is theta value. Okay. So now let's see whether the sine also, let's see now sine theta. This is theta is increasing. So now we have to see the sine theta value here. Let us put. So sine theta value, these are the values. So let's put it. So 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. So now you see here, theta is increasing 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So let's see sine theta is increasing 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. So that means this is also is increasing. So that means this statement is true. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. So the statement is true. So let us see now the third part. The value of cos theta increases as theta increases. So same way let us write down theta value. So theta is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now let's write cos theta values. Cos theta is 1, then root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, then 1 upon 2, then 0. Now you see, first 1, then root 3 upon 2, then 1 upon root 3, and 1 upon 2, then 0. So as theta is increasing, cos theta, is it increasing? No, it is decreasing. So the value of cos theta increases as theta increases is false. Fourth part is sine theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So let's check from the trigonometric table whether sine theta value is equal to cos theta value for all the values of theta. So all the values of theta is what? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So all the values of theta is, these are the degrees. So we have to see whether sine theta is equal to cos theta for all the values. That means sine 0 degree, is it equal to cos 0 degree? Then sine 30 degree, is it equal to cos 30 degree? Then sine 45 degree, is it equal to cos 45 degree? So let's check. Here you see trigonometry table. See, sine 0 degree value is 0, cos 0 degree value is 1. Then sine 30 degree value is 1 upon 2, but cos 30 degree value is 3 upon 2. Now sine 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2, cos 45 degree value is 1 upon root 2. So this is correct. So here sine 45 is equal to cos 45, whereas here sine 0 is not equal to cos 0, sine 30 is not equal to cos 30. So this is not equal, this is not equal, but this is equal. So that means this statement, what we can write, sine theta is equal to cos theta for all the values of theta? No, because already we saw these are not equal. So for all the values it is not equal. So therefore it is false. Now the fifth part. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. So cot A means when A is 0 degree. Okay, so that means cot 0 degree. Okay, means cot A is not defined for A when it is equal to 0 degree. Meaning to say that cot 0 degree is not defined. So let us see. Cot 0 degree is how much? Cot is here 0 degree. 0 degree is not defined. So in the trigonometry it is not defined. Not defined. So it is not defined. Therefore the statement is true, because cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. So when A is 0 degree, cot 0 degree is not defined in the trigonometric table I have explained to you. So that means this statement is true. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you and God bless you.